Okay, good morning, everyone. So let's begin this now. What was the last topic we have seen yesterday? Hello?
Hello. Hi, Sanjay.
Yeah, please. I tell me. What was the
Yeah.
last topic?
So last topic we discussed regarding use of stored procedure transformation to copy the data from source to sink Azure SQL database source and sink.
Okay, so yesterday with parameters also we have done it. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, so customized SQL queries. Yeah, that is done. So now, okay, we'll start with okay, guys. So today we'll start with a very important topic. Okay, so let's go ahead with pipeline audit lock. Case study. This is a real-time implementation one, guys. Only the data I'm using it a normal practice data, but all of the things, okay. Uh, the concept, everything is a realistic one only. So, guys, using of okay, okay, or instead of using of pipeline audit log, pipeline audit log using the stored procedures. Pipeline audit log using the stored procedure activity. Stored procedure using the stored procedure activity. Using the stored procedure activity. So, guys, I wanted to use what is that pipeline audit log using the stored procedure activity. This is a very important case study, guys, which is very much helpful for you to basically when we apply it in the real projects. So, guys, let us go ahead and see here, everyone. Okay, when we talk about this, so here specifications I'm giving you, then I'll explain you what are the things you have it. Specifications, okay. So first of all, when you talk about the specifications, okay, I'm just using design, okay, design pipeline audit log, the pipeline audit log using stored procedure activity to capture, guys, today's case study title I'm giving you completely that captures. Tell me now, which captures the audit log details. Guys, when you talk about the audit log, so guys, so log is generated for every program we run so far. Tell me now, guys, everyone, log is generated for every program we write it or not?
Yes, Samir.
Yeah. So whenever we write any program, by default, the log is generated. The log is generated. That means the log details, whatever you have it, it will be automatically generated. So how can you see the log details, guys? Can you tell me? Just tell me. How can you see the log details?
We will insert some other tables.
Uh-huh. Generally, the log is a process which generates the details are generated with every pipeline run. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Whenever there is a pipeline is executed with every pipeline run, well, with every pipeline run, okay, with every pipeline run, with every pipeline run, guys, with every pipeline run, this particular thing, what do you have it? With every pipeline run, the log details are generated, and now that details you have to capture it. So how to view that? So first of all, I will show you how the log details appears. Am I right or not? So I think you might have not observed in any time, but now today I will show you first. Then we will go ahead with this. So guys, I'm just using it. So I'm starting the data factory, guys, first of all. So guys, here you have a data factory. So this is the data factory.
Sorry, your screen is not visible if you are sharing
Okay,
your
please.
data factory screen.
So guys, this is the, anyways, the data factory I'm starting up right now. Just have a look on this. And now guys, click on the create. And now here we have, what is that? Click on the create. And here we have it. Okay. So what is it you have it? I'm just creating a resource group. So I'm using pipeline audit log. Pipeline audit log RG. Okay, so just give it here. That's it. And now I'm using instance pipeline audit log. So review it and then just create it, guys, as per this. So click on the create. So anyways, the deployment is ready here, all of you. The deployment is ready. Just go to this one. Can you see here? Even I'm launching the data factory. Launch the data factory. So here you have it, guys, everyone. Just see. So when you design a pipeline, I'm just going to the author and design a pipeline. Can you see here? Pipeline is designed here. When you execute the pipeline, guys, everyone, I'm just writing PL audit log. So when you execute this pipeline, guys, everyone, when you execute this pipeline, can you see here? Here you have copy activity. I'm just dragging and dropping it. Just a normal sample. When you run this, here at the bottom, you will get the details. Am I right or not? All of you, just observe it. You'll get the details here at the bottom or not when you execute a pipeline or a copy activity or whatever the thing you have it. You'll get it or not? Please tell me.
Yes, yes.
Those are nothing but the log details. So that what today I'm doing is the log details, whatever we have it, the log details, whatever we have it, I am just trying to capture them. I'm just trying to capture them and place those captured details, place those captured details into a database table, Okay. And why this is used? This is used for auditing purpose. It is used for what is that? Auditing purpose. So auditing purpose, like how many pipelines are run or compiled, and out of these pipelines, how many pipelines are in, successfully compiled, or how many pipelines having any errors which need to be modified. All these details are captured. All these details are captured whenever we use the audit log pipeline. So the audit log, okay, audit log. Whenever we use the audit log, so the audit log we create it and store it into the audit log table into a database. That means in a database, we create an audit log. We create an audit log. Okay. So what are the details I wanted to capture it? First of all, let us try to understand those details. So this, I want the description to be the following. Okay. So specifications I'll give you after some time. Okay. Description, I want the following details to be captured now. Okay, I want the following description to be captured of. The first one is what? Design. Okay, guys. So first to detail, I want what is it? I want what is it? ADF name. ADF name. I want the ADF name. So ADF name means what type of data you can store it in ADF name? Tell me now, guys, everyone. Hello?
Snapshot data.
Uh,
Snapshot data.
capture data.
Yes.
That means character data, na? Generally, whatever information you have it. ADF
Yes.
data type I'm asking about. Okay. See, I'm telling you the steps here. Design, pipeline, guys, everyone. Design pipeline with design pipeline with 1 hour more activities. Okay. So I'm designing what's that? Designing a pipeline with 1 hour more activities. Capture. I'm writing you the steps here. Captures the execution. Okay. Log details. Okay. Log details. Okay. Log details into database table. Okay. What should you have it? Into database table. Next one. The third one you wanted. What details I want to capture? What are the details? What are the details we wanted to or we wanted to capture? We want to capture for auditing purpose. That's it, guys. So now I want first of all as the guys everyone. I want what is that ADF name I wanted. The ADF name is basically you have a data type of what varchar, and this varchar size I can give it up to 50 now, or else if you want you can increase it. Okay, next one what is it? I wanted the detail to be captured. I want pipeline name. So every pipeline will have a different name. Am I right or not? Everyone tell me now, guys. Hello?
Yes.
So that details, I'm just capturing it. Pipeline, okay, with varchar. Okay, what is it I want? Varchar. Varchar, and the size of this varchar is 100. And the size of this varchar is 100, guys. And then I want the third one. Tell me now, what is the third one? I want the detail to be captured. Pipeline, guys, everyone, pipeline run ID. I want what is it? Pipeline run ID. Pipeline run ID is what? Varchar. Pipeline run ID is varchar. Okay. So guys, what is it you want? Pipeline run ID. Every pipeline will have a different unique run ID where it differentiates one pipeline run ID with the another pipeline run ID. So the differentiation of the pipelines are identified by the run IDs are identified by what's that? Run IDs. So I want that run ID to be varchar and 200 as the size I want to capture it. And then I want to, that is allocated. That's what you can say. Then row reads. That means how many row you have, that is read using this particular, that means pipeline. So I can say it is integer. And now the next one, what is that? Row return. I want the row return. So I'm using row return rows return. Okay, guys, rows return. So I want the rows return to be against integer. So that's it now. Rows return, and next one, what is it? You have it. Copy duration. Copy duration, and the copy duration is int. Again, you have what's it? Start time. Start time. Start time is what's it? Date time. Start time is also the date time. That will start when the pipeline is started. Okay. And eighth one is what is it? You have it. End time. End time, guys. End time. I want what's it? Date time. Date time is the data type, you can say. Okay. And now, guys, the ninth one I want what is that? Status. Status means what? Status, tell me now.
It is closed or running like that.
Yeah, very good. So the status is the same. Tell me now. And next one, what is it you want? Tell me. When the pipeline fails, what happens? Tell me now.
Message it will get in the mail.
Very good. So you can say error message. Sometimes some huge error message will be displayed. So for that, I'm giving it here as the 900 as a size. Okay, guys, everyone. So what is the size I'm giving? I'm giving the size as what? 900. So sometimes very huge message may come. That's the reason I'm giving this much all. Okay. So all of you guys, okay, understood what I'm doing it?
Yes.
I want a reply from all of you guys. I'm getting only one. Yes, please.
Yes, Samir.
Yes, Samir.
So that's it now. So let's begin the process now. Now, guys, when you talk about beginning of the process, so first of all, let me give you the more specifications here. So I'm using the source data store. Okay, source data storage. So, guys, the source data storage is what? And then you have the sync data storage. Sync data storage. So, what is my sync data storage and what is my source data storage? Let's try to see here. The source data storage is the Azure Blob Storage. Simple, I'm using it. Azure Blob Storage. And now here I have a file or a blob. This file or a blob, I can say use it in our routine file that is called as airlines.csv. This is our, okay. So anything I can use it here, okay. So guys, I can use it here. And now the sync storage is what? And the sync storage is here. And the sync storage is,
Gen 2.
no, I want Azure SQL database. And then I want what is a table. Table. Okay, table. I want what is it? Tell me now. The first table I want, what is that? Audit table. Audit underscore table. I want what is it? Audit table. Uh, Table is first table. I want it as what? Audit table. And second table, I want it as what? Airline table. Table, sorry, table 2. Table 2 is what? Airline. Airlines. TBL. Okay. I want another table. Airlines TBL. So these are the two tables I require it. So everyone is clear the specification now. What is it? We have it.
Yes.
Please, guys. So I'm just going ahead with this. So anyways, the data factory is ready. So the only thing what we have to start up here is now just go start this. So go and start here the Azure storage. That is called as a blob storage you wanted. So just start this blob. So click on the create. And now use it here instance. Sorry, it's a blob now. So blob audit log, blob audit log, blob audit log ds Durga soft some name. Okay, so click on the review. Click on the create. And now open this, guys. Again, the next one I'm starting up. So let's start this one. So here I'm just opening this. So guys, that's it. Now open this Azure SQL database, which I wanted to use it. So click on the create. And select it here. So I want the database. What is the database I want? Tell me now. Guys, database is, let us try to give the name here as a target DB. And now click on the create. Durga Soft DB or Durga Soft server. So use authentication method. So use Durga admin and the password. So click on the create. Okay, guys, this all process you know now, and that's the reason I have not repeated all this. So I'm just changing the pricing tier now. Yes, guys, everyone, please tell me.
Yeah.
Yes, Samir.
So that's
Yes.
it. So yeah. So now let us try to even make the changes here. Where is this? Where it is? Where it is? The pricing tier. Where it has gone? Okay. Compute plus configuration. And now, guys, just change the D2 based purchasing model and basic less demanding workloads. Click on apply. Click on the networking tab, and we have not allowed the firewall settings, so hence you have to allow it. So click on the review and again click on the create. That's it, guys. So leave it as it is. So now the source is ready. So just go to the source now. And now click on the, from the left to right, click on the containers tab. Click on the containers tab. And now again, after the containers tab, what is it you have to do? Click on the new container and now use it the container. So I'm using the container name as a input as the name. And now click on the create. So open this. So that's it, uploaded the file. So just upload the file, guys, everyone. So for uploading, click on the browse. Yes, everyone.
TLSD.
So daily files. I want the file as what is it? Airline. So just come down here. The airlines file is at the bottom. Upload it. This is ready, guys. So now just go here. Anyways, it's creating. And now meanwhile, everything is ready. So need not worry on this. The data factory is ready with the pipeline. Only thing we have to wait for the creation of this. Let us wait here, guys. Yeah, everyone. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, Samir.
So let's wait. Okay, guys, so this is ready now. Go to the resource now. And now click on what? Query editor. So I'm just using it, the password. Now, guys, here, if you want, you can create the table. But actually, in the real time, you have to create the table. Table creation will be there. So, or else you will raise the request to create the table. So, but if you want, I can just have a script here. Okay, just a minute. I'm using this. So here you have a table is there. The script is there. Table script is there now. Copy this. Copy this, guys, everyone. Come back. Simply run this. Run this now. It's created. So you wanna see this? How does it the rows appears and how many columns are there? In this way, you wanna see this. So I'm using the select to star from
Airline.
mm, run this. See here, ID, name, code, and country. 4 columns are there. How many columns are there, guys? Everyone?
4 columns.
4 columns are
Four.
there. Now, yeah. Now, for copying these 4 columns and all the data, some background process will be compiled of. Okay. That background, what is going on? I wanted to capture that in another table. What is the table? The table is called as the audit log table. So we have to create one more table, guys. You have to create one more table. Anyways, okay. So, guys, uh, anyways, okay. Yeah, this is the target where you want to load the data finally. Okay, where you want to load the data finally. Okay, that's what you wanted. Now, next I'm creating another table, guys. Everyone, create
Table.
create a table. Table name is what is it? Audit. Some
Audit
name you
log.
wanted. Audit underscore log. This is the name of the table I want. But you can use any name, guys. It's not essential that the name what I'm using, you should use that. But generally, we use this only. Hmm? So these are all the things I wanted. So here, copy all the details. Copy all the details. Come back. Yeah, tell me, ma. Somebody want to say something? Make the changes. ADF name. Then I want the pipeline name. No space here. So pipeline run ID. And now use remove this. Rows written and copy duration. Start time. And now the status. Now finally
Error message.
error message. I want it. Finally, everything is closed. Now, what is it left out? Semicolon. Now, select a star from select star from audit log. I want this. Finally, see guys, this is the details I wanted. I wanted to capture it now. Now, finally, these are the details. So let's run this once. So I'm running the first one. Run this. Succeeded, huh? No issue, guys.
Yes.
See, compiled. See, these are all the details. You have it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, the next question is that from where do we get the data here?
Blob storage.
From
No,
ADF.
no. I want this table. That okay. Airlines will get the data from the above airlines table will get the data from the blob storage. That is fine. But from where this will get the data?
This will get the data when the pipeline will be executed and it will capture the statistics line.
Yes,
So that
exactly.
log.
That will work. But will it work automatically?
No, we have to write
You want to
some
create
stored procedure.
Yeah, very good. We have to write a stored procedure which inserts the data automatically by capturing the data details of the execution details of the pipeline and store it into this particular table. So we have to insert the records, to insert the rows. To insert the rows, we have to write a stored procedure. So for that, I'm writing it, everyone. Just have a look here. So I'm writing it, the stored procedure. So how to write a stored procedure? Tell me now, guys. Create.
target.
So stored procedure has to be created with parameters or without parameters, guys?
Parameters.
With parameters. Okay. Yeah, please.
With parameters.
Yeah, parameters. Procedure. Create a procedure. Procedure name you have to give it. So I'm giving a procedure name as USP just to make yourself okay easily understandable. USP means user defined stored procedure for what? For audit log. With audit log details. With what is that? Audit log details. With audit log details. So what is that? So I want all this same copied. So I want what is it? Okay, anyways, you have this. Create procedure audit log. Just paste it here. Fine, everyone. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, Amit.
But we have to define the these things as a parameter. So use at the rate. Same name I'm using at the rate. At the rate. Just to make the job easier, I'm using these names. But if you don't want these names, you can give it any name of your choice. Okay. That means the that is the procedure is created with the parameters. Am I right, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, Amit.
So this is not required. Again, the semicolon and this thing. Now, next one, what is that you have to tell me now?
Building block.
Yes, you have to define the body of it as next one, what is that? Begin as begin. So now tell me, what is it?
Insert.
Hmm.
Insert query. We can type
Insert
into
into what?
take the column names.
Audit
Table.
log table, no?
Audit log table, yeah.
Yeah, very good. So insert into audit log table. Again, you can pass these names, column
Yes.
names, without the data types. So you can remove it, the data type. So this proper alignment has to be done here. Everyone is following or not? Please answer my question.
Yes.
Yes, Samir.
Yes, sir.
We are into the very, wedge of the subject now. From this time onwards, from now onwards, all the details and all the, these are the important things we are going to look out, all the case studies. You'll definitely implement these kind of case studies. So try to just concentrate well. Status. Next, error messages. And here you don't require this. Fine, everyone. Now, next one, what is it you have to tell me now?
Values.
Very good. Use the values.
And pass the parameter name which we have taken.
Mm-hmm. Now copy this. Now the parameters you have to pass it as it is. Now I'm using the parameters as the values. So for that, what we have to do? Use what? At the rates. At the rate. Use at the rate. At the rate. All the 10 columns are there or not? See, just check. At the rate. 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 Okay. Finally, end this procedure and use the end here. Okay. Fine, everyone.
You have put one semicolon there. Insert. Just remove that semicolon.
Yeah.
Now it's fine, guys. Let's run
Yes.
this. Run this. Procedure created successfully. That means the procedure is ready now. Ready to use it. Okay. Procedure is ready to run, guys. Everyone. Everything is ready now. Setup. Now, guys, the setup you have made it already. Now, what is the next process you have it? Go to the ADF. Now, start it. Tell me now, first of all, what is that first thing you have to do?
Create
Linked
Data
service.
sets.
Linked service.
Link
Right?
service. Link service.
Without the link service, how will you pull the data now? Huh? So
Okay,
use it the blob one.
okay. At a time.
Open this and now use it here. ls underscore blob underscore source. Select the source as it is and select it here. Blob storage. Test the connections. And now click on the create. First link service is ready. Here the first link service is ready. And I'm creating the second link service. And now the second link service is for what?
SQL.
SQL, Azure SQL. So make it here as a ls underscore SQL db underscore sync. And now pull in all the details, server details, and the database target DB. And then you have Durga admin. And the password which I have used it. I'm just using it. Click on the test connections. Click on the create. That's it, guys. All of you. Now this is ready, guys. The link services. Not what is the next step? Tell me now.
Create datasets and the pipeline parameters.
Very good. So go to this. Go to the data set. Click on the create new data set. First data set I have to create it for what? Blob.
Below.
Selected the blob. CSV file is there. So give it the name here. ds underscore blob underscore source. Select the link service, you have it. And now select it here. Input. You have only one file, guys. You can
Yes.
create multiple captures also. As your one file, I'm just using the one file. If multiple file are there, again you have to use a wildcard file path with multiple capturings. Okay. If you have multiple captures, do you require to write multiple stored procedures as well?
No. We require one minute.
Okay. That's it. The same we can use it here. Okay, guys. That's it now. Now create the second data set.
Sync.
So click on this and now use it here. SQL.
Maybe.
Again use it here. The name. So I'm using ds underscore SQL db underscore sync. Okay. So I'm using it here. The table name. So which table name do you require to select it? Tell me now.
Audit log.
No, guys.
Airline.
DBO airline.
Airline, not the
Yes.
audit log. Because I'm copying the airline. When airline is copied, the execution details will be captured into what? Audit log data table.
Audit log.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So go to the next pipeline and drag and drop the copy activity. Select the source. Now, if you have multiple files, you can use the wildcard file path as I told you just now. Select it here. Select the sync. It's ready, guys. So today, do we require to use the auto create table here? Not.
No.
That's
We have
it.
already created a table.
We have
That's it.
created the table.
Yes. So now, anyways, leave it as it is. So now the further one. Now, guys, you have to use it, everyone. So shall I run this once?
You said
No, we need
parameter.
to select the store procedure.
Yeah. So we have to still select the stored procedure activity. So we have written there, but we have to use the stored procedure activity. So in the last, we have to use in the last class, what we have used it? We have used it like this, now. Use the stored procedure. We have used the stored procedure and selected the stored procedure, etc. like this. But apart from this, we can also have the other way. That is that thing. But we can use the stored procedure activity here. So I'm using SP stored procedure. Drag and drop the stored procedure. I wanted to define two stored procedure activities. One, on success, this stored procedure should be executed. And on failure, the other one should be copied here. So for that, first of all, I will prepare one. And next, what I will do is after preparing the first success, I will give it here. We'll just clone it later. Okay, so now I'm using SP on success. SP on success. That's it. Okay. SP on success. That means stored procedure on success. On successful of execution of the pipeline. This will pop up, or this will be initialized. Go to this settings now and select the link service. You have already defined the link services now. So select the link service and now select the stored procedure. So guys, do you have defined the parameters here for this or not? Huh?
Yes, sir, we will
The
take
stored
Yes.
procedure is defined with the parameters or not? I want the answer, guys, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
So import, click on the import stored procedure. Now, guys, everyone. Now this should get a value. From where will you get this value, guys? Can somebody tell me? Because you have not defined any kind of pipeline parameters or like this. From where do you get the value now?
Think
Copy data activity.
the airline pipe.
From log they generated in the backend.
Hello. Class is disconnected. Are you there? Shamir.
I think he will rejoin. Let's wait for 5 minutes.
Yeah, guys, I got disconnected. Somebody has the host rights. Tell me, please. Somebody has the host rights. Yeah. Am I audible now?
Yes, Samir, you are
Yeah,
audible.
audible.
Do you have anybody has the host rights?
I
No.
don't think so.
Just a minute. I'll call the customer.
Yeah.
అది హోస్ట్ ఇవ్వండి 6:30ది 6:30 ఆల్రెడీ నడుస్తుంది లింక్ నడుస్తుంది 7 లేదు ఈరోజు అది మరి just 1 minute. It's done now. Just inform them.
Laptop baby.
Okay, guys. So I got the host now again. Sorry for the inconvenience. So, guys, let's begin now. We'll continue the process. Yeah, everyone is able to see the screen now.
Yes.
Yeah. So we were here now, all of you. So, guys, so this you are able to see the screen, Azure screen.
No, not able to.
Okay.
Very bad.
Okay. So now fine now.
Yeah, it's okay.
Fine now.
Now, so we have to give the values here. So how to give the values? Now the values, whatever the values you have imported, that is the parameters, this has to be given here because we have not defined any pipeline parameters. It will take an automatic variables, inbuilt variables from the Microsoft. You will have some inbuilt variables. So how to do it? So go to this, put the control in ADF name, add dynamic contents. And now guys, go to the system variables. What is that you have it? System variables. Click on the system variable. Here you have Azure Data Factory is there. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Everyone. Azure Data Factory
Yes.
name is there or not?
Yes,
Yes.
there.
Yes, Samir. Yeah.
Select it here. So at the end pipeline, that means these are the automatic variables. You search for the documentation, you will get them. Okay. Data factory name. So just use it here. Can you see here? After running the pipeline, it will take from the data factory pipeline name. Is added. Automatically here added here. So that's it. Next one, what is it? You have it. So again, you have the pipe. That is nothing but pipeline name is there. Put the control pipeline name, add dynamic contents, go to the system variables. Pipeline name is there or not?
Yes.
So select it, pipeline name. That's it. You don't need to make any changes here. And pipeline run ID is also there. Add dynamic contents, system variables, pipeline run ID. All, if you are defining a trigger, you can use a trigger ID also, guys. Okay. So remaining things one by one, you have to, that is nothing but do it manually. Copy duration. So copy duration, you will get it from where? Tell me now. So copy duration, you will get it from where? System variables. System variables will not get the copy duration. So you will get the, that means copy activity output. Copy activity output, output dot, yes, sorry, output dot. So can you see here? So here you have to use, what's it? Output dot copy. You can have to write manually. Copy duration. That means after the copy activity completed, you have to use the copy duration. Copy duration. Okay. So I'm just writing the copy duration. Click on OK. Now put the control.
Enter.
Add dynamic contents. Copy duration. Okay. Copied. This is completed now. Next, you have to use what? End
End
time.
time.
So click on add dynamic contents. You will get it from the copy activity. Output at the rate copy activity dot. So you can write it execution end time, where execution end time, execution, all of you. I know this automatic variables, I'm writing it, guys, directly. If not, you can search in the Microsoft documentation. Okay, what is that you have it?
Execution and time. These are all keywords, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So next one is what? Error message. So guys, error you will get it after execution, after output, or before output?
After execution.
No,
It
no,
will
after
show you
execution, but before output or after output? Error message.
before output.
Before output, very good. So just give it here, error. Click OK. Then select it here. Rows read. This you also get it from the output. Output dot, output dot. After the output, you'll get rows. Some logic you have to apply. That's it, guys. Rows read. Click OK. Put the control. Rows written. You can also say rows copied here. Okay. Output dot. Rows.
Written it is before output.
Yeah. Copied. Rows copied. Fine, everyone. And now add dynamic contents. Start time. Start time. Execution start time, you can say. Output dot. Okay. Output, you have to remove it here. Output not required. Execution start time. That's it, guys. Click OK. Then now
Status.
status. Add dynamic contents. Status. So use it status. I'm simple using status. That's it. Okay. Fine, guys, everyone. See here. All the 10 are given or not? Huh?
Yeah.
That's it, guys. Finished now. So now, guys, let us do one thing now. Just a minute. I'm just executing them. Put the control. Now execute it. As it is, you execute it. After execution, let us see if there is any error or not. Or else what I can do is clone this. Can you see your button you have a clone here? Clone it.
The error message you want to give, I think, email ID also.
That you have to integrate with logic apps. You cannot give directly. So now, guys, on failure, I'll use it. If the pipeline is failed, then this particular thing will come here. Can you see here? See, all cloning means everything is copied as it is. So let us go ahead and run this now. If anything comes, we'll rectify it. If any error, let's see. Mostly it should not get any error now. Let us see here.
We need, Samir, we need to define whether it is a success or failure, right?
1 minute,
Somewhere.
it's failure. Yeah, failure now. Just a minute. Failure now. Just a minute. Failure. Tell me now. Once it is failure, just use it. Which copy activity or which stored procedure has been succeeded here?
Yeah.
There is an error in the copy activity itself. So what is the problem? You want to check the error? Check it off. User configuration, invalid sync level, not found. Go to this. Use it here. Mapping. Import mapping. This is the problem. I will do one thing. You have to change it at the source level itself. So I will do one thing. Okay, guys, I'll do one thing. That is go to the target. And now here drop this table first. Okay, drop table airline. Okay, I'll drop this table. Request the login. Login. Because you have signed out, it is asking for the cannot open the server. IP address is changed. Just a minute. So if this is the problem, you have to go to the overview. No problem. Go to the overview. And now set firewall settings. These are all the debugs you should know, guys, how to make it. This is the IP address now. So you have to click on the add the IP address. Delete this IP address now. Add the IP address. Click on save changes. Successful. Now try to log in now. I think now it will allow. Now fine, guys. Take the tables, you have it. I'll drop this table now. Drop. table, airline. Run this. Refresh it now. See here, you don't have this table. Okay, anyways, audit log table is there. Let it be. Now come to this pipeline. Go to the copy activity. And now clear this mapping now. Go to the sync. Use auto create table here. Okay. Fine, everyone. So let's debug it again.
Samir, for every pipeline, we need to define this store procedure.
No, one sort procedure you can link it. That's not a problem. See, it's being successful, guys. Copy activity, everything is succeeded. I mean, executed. Now go and check now. Sync system.
Samir, but we have taken data from airline DB, right?
Yeah.
But we had dropped that table, so what?
Automatically
what
it will create it.
Okay.
That's the reason we have selected the auto create table. Select a star from airline. See, you got this airline. Check it here. Now. You got the data. Yeah, successful. Next one. Select star from audit log table. You want this? Run this now. Got it now? 2 times pipeline is run. Instance pipeline audit log. This is the name of the pipeline. And now guys, 6161 rows are copied here. And here, can you see? Succeeded. Okay. The number of
It's
times
ran
you...
two
the
times, Samir.
Pardon me?
Why it's ran 2 times?
Yeah.
Previously also we have compiled it.
Okay. But
The
that is the
activity
error.
was successful, but there was some... Yeah,
But
there
there
was...
was error message, right?
Yeah.
I think you didn't provide the condition when the stored procedure like success and failure, right? There is
Yeah,
when
that
the
was... Yes.
copy data is linked to both the stored procedures, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
at a time it is going to trigger 2 times. So there
Yes,
should be some
Samir.
link condition when it is fail, when it is success, this path or
Okay.
that path.
Okay, now? Now we have linked it.
Yes.
Now we have to link it. Now on failure, this will come, and on success, this will come. Okay. I'm rerunning once again.
Sir, I have the one query.
Yes, see, on success, the procedure is executed. Yeah, see, that's it. Now
Samir,
on success procedure is executed successfully. Yeah, tell me please now.
it will create new table or it will override that
Right.
column.
No, it will add it. It will append it. By default, it will append it now.
Okay, very
Now see here, I'm rerunning this. The pipeline is executed for the 3rd time.
okay.
Copy duration is 7 seconds. The start time, end time succeeded successfully. Okay.
What about the airline table, Samir? Already that data was inserted by the
See, this time it will be double of the exact amount.
Okay, double.
1,000. Can you see here?
12,000.
12,332.
Yes. Okay.
322. Okay. It will append it.
Samir, when should we use copy data dot output and when we should not? While defining
That
the
logic you
parameters.
have to basically define it based on this. How output will come running will happens after the output or before the output? Before the output. So run ID, these are anyways automatic. This thing you have it. You have it. You can see here, you have it. So activity, just simply understand this one in this way. Copy activity is assigned output. After output only you get number of rows read, na?
Correct.
Samir, from where you have taken these keywords?
Which one? This one. I have not taken it from, I remembered it, I wrote it, but you can get it from Microsoft documentation, you get it. These are some inbuilt variables, you have it.
Yeah. From documentation, right?
Yes,
Microsoft
document.
Doc.
Yes.
If can you share the documentation, if possible?
Pardon me?
Can you please
Can
show
you
us
share
that
the
documentation?
documentation?
Go and type in this Google Microsoft Azure documentation, you get it. Or else here also you have it here. Learning center is there, na? You can get it here also. The learning center, you get it here.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
Sir,
it,
I
guys.
have one.
Please.
You selected auto creation table. Script is not required, right?
Not required.
Okay. It is override, right? A new table.
Yes.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay, guys. Thank you, everyone. So I'm ending the class. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, sir. Thank you. Krishna.